WorkStep has a large customer, one of the biggest employers in the world that has a large private fleet of truck drivers. When we started working with this customer, they were convinced that the reason their drivers were quitting at increasing rates was the physicality of the role. Dozens of stops per route, heavy cases of product, and ultimately that dynamic of the role was having a physical toll on their drivers, which was leading them to quit. By partnering with WorkStep and by monitoring the connection between feedback and outcomes, what they were able to learn beyond a shred of doubt was that actually physicality was, I believe, the seventh leading cause of turnover within their driver population. Number one, by far, was job expectation alignment. The drivers who felt that the role was misrepresented or missold to them by their recruiter, who felt like the role described to them didn't match the role they stepped into, were quitting at like an 8 times higher rate than those who felt that it was accurately described. Instead of altering their routes and their role to address this perceived challenge around physicality, they focused on a project called Realistic Job Previews, which basically meant to deeply align the role that was described to the driver with the role they walked into on day one. By reprioritizing their project around what was actually causing outcomes, they were able to A, drop new driver turnover by 26%, but B, avoid working on a problem that actually didn't move the needle.